this right here, these ideas right here is gonna get you views and it's gonna get that watch time that you need up. So you guys need ideas for your YouTube channel, right? Girl, I got you, because you about to blow up and we're about to blow up together. Because with these ideas will help you gain the views, the watch time you need for your channel. So I'm gonna break it down in 4 categories: hair, makeup, lifestyle and vlogs, and fashion. So if you're in that niche, let's get into it. Let's get into it. So the first one is everyday makeup. Everybody does their makeup and everybody wants like a natural beat. So why not give it to them? Duh. So the next one is makeup product review. So any makeup products you buy, do a review. Show how you like it. And if you don't like it, if you do like it, if you recommend it. So that's another one you could do. Full face of one makeup brand is also a good one to do. How to contour for beginners. How to do your eyeliner. How to do a cut crease. How to get that perfect foundation base, because everybody wants that perfect foundation base. So that's a good video to do. How to do a makeup look for acne prone skin, makeup look for mature skin, makeup look for textured skin. Glowy makeup tutorial. Right now is springtime, so everybody's looking for that fresh, clean girl aesthetic. That's another video. Clean girl aesthetic type of makeup look. Chick chat, get ready with me. Everybody like that one, or any get ready with me videos, just sitting down talking to the camera. People tend to like lip combos, how to achieve glass skin, bronzy like makeup tutorial. Like I think there's one video now called like latte makeup look. You could do that one. That's also like bronzy type of eyeshadow or like contour, bronzy type of look. And eyebrows. Everybody wants to know how to do eyebrows. I be looking at people and be like, ooh, how you do those? How you do that? Your eyebrows look good. So eyebrows is another video. So next category I'm going to go to is lifestyle and vlogs. So if you're in this niche, you might want to just come in and let me tell you what video ideas I got. So night routines, morning routines, productive vlogs, like you just doing your day-to-day life and being productive and doing something other than laying on the couch. You can do that one too, laying on the couch. Lazy girl routine too. That's a good one to do. Days in my life, weeks in my life type of videos. Maintenance vlog, like getting your hair, your nails done. Just showing like you getting maintenance done. Getting my life back together, just like getting out of that funk. Just getting your life back on track. Mom vlogs, dad vlogs, family vlogs. So if you have like a family and you just want to vlog your day or like show what you guys do as a day-to-day family, that's a good video to do. Cleaning vlogs. People like to watch people clean. I like to watch people clean. So cleaning vlogs, or like room makeovers, bedroom makeovers. People like to watch that too. Travel vlogs. I love me a good travel vlog. I'm living through y'all, so I love me a good travel vlog. Or prep with me for a traveling type of video you can do. So you just like packing and doing everything you need to do to prepare for the trip you're going to. So hygiene routines is a good video to do. Or like hygiene shop with me, like going to Target. Going to Target is a good video. Going to Walmart, going to Aldi's, going to Marshall's, go to TJ Maxx. Those videos, people like watching people shop. I like watching people shop too. Simply because money ain't right now. But like I like watching people shop. So I'm shopping through y'all. So this is like video shopping with you guys. So next topic I'm going to go into is hair. So I'm gonna do video ideas that's catered to like stuff I would I would watch. How to style my hair, how to do a silk press or a blowout, what products to use, like what products you use for your like curly hair, how to do a perm rod or a flexi rod set, how to do a braid out, again, how to like style my natural hair or curly hair, how to style curtain bangs. Oh, you know what? Which one? I didn't put in like doing like wig reviews, hair reviews, like Amazon reviews, any hair review that you get, hair extensions, do a review on that one. Quick, easy hairstyles to do, like on braids or twists. Those are good videos to do. Heatless kind of hairstyles. And yeah, that's all I have for hair. So the next category we're going to go into is fashion. My favorite part, because this is the part where you're gonna get this right here, these ideas right here is gonna get you views and it's gonna get that watch time that you need up. Shein hauls, Temu hauls, Fashion Nova hauls, anything that says clothing hauls, go ahead and do. Like if you were shopping, go ahead and show what you got. Just show them the items that you picked up. Shoe collections is a good one. What I wear in a week, outfit of the days, styling different pieces together. Like if you have a top, how to style it in like 5 different ways, or like this mix and match things. So that's a good video to do. And that's all I have. That's about like 50 ideas, maybe more. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.